If you are watching this, the end has begun. Theater of War, Declassified Brief. The Theater of War is Endwar's ongoing, online, World War III campaign where thousands battle to lead their nation to world domination. It is the ultimate challenge for a commander. Choose your faction. Enlist in the U.S. Joint Strike Force, European Federation Enforcers Corps, or Russia Spetsnaz Guards Brigade. Answer the call of duty or the call of money. Some factions may offer enlistment bonuses. Choose your battalion, each with a different task force and specialization. Take your army into battle across Europe and North America to affect the outcome of the World War. Fight alone or alongside another commander, bringing the elite units from each of your battalions. Remember, surviving units get promotions and bonuses. Conquer battlefields to move the front line forward. At the end of each day, territories are won or lost and new battlegrounds open based on the shifting fronts. Raid military bases to shut down the enemy's support network in the area. Conquer the bases to provide a platform for your off-map support, such as airstrikes. Take the war to the capital cities. Hang in for the long fight. One simple victory won't conquer a capital city. Do battle with and against thousands of other commanders. Only one superpower will dominate. Deciding which one will emerge victorious is in your hands.